Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods, and in this video I'm going to be going over a GetResponse tutorial for 2021, fresh tutorial, and I'll try to go over every feature very quickly with you, keep the video short and sweet. I won't be able to dive in and actually create landing pages or autoresponders, but I will show you how to get to them and the basics of it. And then also, keep in mind this is coming from somebody that uses this on a daily basis, and this has been their primary email marketing solution for the last few years. I have used Aweber and many others, MailChimp, to just name a couple. And while all those have, everybody's going to have their own sets of features, pros and cons, I've used them all. And at the end of the day, with pricing and user interface UI, and just usability for a beginner, and navigating and being able to quickly create everything that you need. GetResponse is the total package, and they offer a ton of stuff for the price that they offer. So I think it's one of the most affordable ones and also the easiest to learn. So with that said, that is why GetResponse is my top recommended email marketing solution. And if you're an affiliate marketer, then this solution and this tool is definitely for you. And then keep in mind that you will get a free trial. If you click the link below in the description at any time during this video, you will get a free trial of for 30 days to use the software. They don't hold anything back. They don't limit you. You get you can build 1,000 subscribers in a month if you want. You get the full access, autoresponder, landing page, everything. It's not a limited free trial where they hold a lot of stuff back. You literally get the entire package for 30 days. And then if it's for you or you've used it and you like it, then you can go ahead and convert to a paid subscription. So let's go ahead and jump in real quick to the tutorial. So in order to sign up, you would just click on the link below, right? And it's going to take you to GetResponse. And you're going to just go to the GetResponse page with the link below. And then you're going to go ahead and just sign up for free, right? You're going to put in your name, your email, and create a password and create an account. And what you're going to get is all this: unlimited email marketing, space for up to 1,000 contacts. And then you're going to get top converting landing pages, marketing automation. You're going to get funnels. You're going to get webs, forms or surveys, highly engaging webinars, and so much more. So this is what's really cool about this too. So you're going to get the 30 days for free, but you're also going to get no credit card required. So you don't even have to put in your credit card to start an account with them. Who does that anymore, right? Everyone always wants your credit card information so that they can automatically, you forget about the trial and then they charge you, right? And that's how they make money. So this is just a really good, it's a good company. They're not trying to take your money. They only want you to pay if you really like the tool and are going to use it. And guess what? When you end up being a paid member and you have all your subscribers on there, and you find out how easy it is, you're going to continue paying. It's just going to be a business expense. And guess what? It's only $15 a month for the paid plan for the for 1,000 subscribers or less. And of course, you can cancel anytime. So once you're done there, you're just going to go ahead and sign in. And once you sign in, this is going to be like what your back office looks like. And you're going to have, list size. You're not going to have any lists that you're building over here. And, it's going to look pretty blank for you. They do have a lot of training and all that kind of stuff. But what you can do is you can always just come over here to quick actions. If you needed to create a form, you could create a form here. You could create a newsletter. You can create a landing page. You can add contacts, and you can create an autoresponder. There's different ways that I could go about showing you how to do that. And you go over to your account over here, and it will show you your billing and any people on your team and what program you are signed up to. And right now I'm still currently on the basic because I'm just under 1,000 subscribers. I think I have 800 and something subscribers. And so once I get over that 1,000 threshold, then I will end up having to move up my account and so forth. Then you can go to the help section and you can get help and live chat and create tickets or email them, all kinds of stuff, right? So that's how you get the help you need. But then really, if you come up here to this square icon, you just click the square icon, and then here's all the different things you can do in here. I'm going to go over the essentials that you're going to need. And so when you come in over to here, We're going to probably use, maybe look at the landing pages and maybe the autoresponders, right? Those are the main things. If you're doing webinars and that sort of thing, a little bit more advanced in a different tutorial, but the main functionality is that you're going to want to use this to collect leads and send them automatic emails or broadcasts, right? So what you're going to need to do is you're actually going to go over to lists, right? And then you're going to go ahead and create a new list. So you can name this list. I'm going to actually name it test list. So it's a test list, and I'm just going to create a test list. All right, so I'm just going to call it test list. We're going to go create and oops. So this is a good example, actually. It says this list already exists, so I've already done that. You need to enter a different name. So test list, and we're going to just maybe see if you can use numbers. We'll go 32921. Just so we can get a list going here. Okay, so we have this list. You can see I have all these other different lists here and all the different contacts that I've built on those lists. So we're going to go over here, and then now you have a list created, right? So then now what you want to do is, let's say we're going to create an autoresponder, okay? So what we're going to do is come back over here and click on autoresponder. We're going to create a test email real quick. I'm going to create an autoresponder right here, and we're going to go no thanks. We're going to go to, there's a new version and an old version. This autoresponder, I'm going to say it's test list 329 2021. You can name this anything. It's just for your own reference. And then on day 0, we want immediately, see how that changed? So on day 1 would be 24 hours after the person signs up to your list. We're going to go ahead and go with 0, and we're going to select our list from here, the new list. Let's find that new list that we created, test list 329 right there. Okay, and then we want the first email to go out immediately at 0 on any day, right? And then we can choose our message or create new email. So I'm going to create new email real quick. And then we're going to message 1. I can just say, like right here, message name will appear in the list of your message. This won't go to your subscriber, so this is just for you. So you can say, you can call this day 0, message 1, or even be more specific than that, right after they sign up. So that just kind of gives you that, and you can say thanks for signing up, here is your gift, right? Something like that. And then you can choose from whatever email you have set up. That's for another tutorial. We just won't be able to put every single thing into this, but you will have your default email will show up, like right here. My default email that I signed up for GetResponse will show up. So you will have something that automatically populates in the box. But if you have domain names, I have David at teachmemoneymethods.com and David at realisticpay.com. And then I have David at inspiredmotivation.com. So those are domains that I have also set up for the system to be able to email out from. So that would be for another tutorial. But for now, we will just go ahead and select from the email, like you're going to see probably your Gmail account or something like that, right? So then you're going to go next step. And then you're going to have all these templates that you can choose from, right? All these different templates. I have some different ones that I use. I have some saved templates in here. Here's one right here that I use for marketing, and I can change out an image and all that. But I'm going to go back to the galleries, and then I'm going to go ahead and just select a plain text email from down here to the left. And then right here, I can just say, thanks for signing up. You know, I don't like spam, so you don't have to worry about me sending too many emails. Here is your gift you signed up for. And then you could put in the HTTPS : your link. Maybe that's a download link or something. And then you can say, cheers, David, right? So then you have a simple, and then it's recommended to stay inside the white line here so it doesn't get caught off on any other email platforms. And then you're just going to go to down here, next step. You can send a test to yourself and all that. And then we have this all set up, and we can say save and publish. So once you push save and publish, guess what? You have an autoresponder set up. You technically have a list and an autoresponder set up. So if you wanted to create a new autoresponder, so here's the autoresponders that I have, right? And I'm going to come over here, And the one that I just created right here is test list. And you can see that it's going to send immediately any day of the week. So if it says 0 right here, that means after they sign up and put their email address in, it's immediately going to be sent to them, right? So if this said 1, then 1 means 24 hours after. 2 means 48 hours after, and so forth, right? You get the point. So we have the first email is the most important. At least we're going to be emailing them what we promised them. And then, so then what you can do, you have an autoresponder set up. If you wanted to add to your autoresponder, all you'd have to do is just go to create autoresponder and create your next autoresponder and make sure that you select test list 32921. And then you're going to have, it's going to look like this right here, where I have this HBA3, HBA4, HBA5, so 2, 3, 4. You can see how I have another autoresponder set up and all kinds of traffic going to it, right? So that's how you set up a list. We set up an autoresponder. And now if you wanted to set up a simple landing page, so this is what's so cool about GetResponse. You don't even have to have an email. You don't even have to have a website or a landing page set up or anything. You can use what they already have. So landing pages, I'm going to come over here. You can grab a landing page. And let's just say I created this one for a demo previously, so we're going to go ahead and just check it out. All you'd do is just create landing page. You would click create landing page and go through the steps, and you would sign up and make sure you select what list you want it to go to and the list that you just created. And then you're automatically going to have your landing page set up. You're going to have your list set up, and then when people sign up to that list and put their email address in, they're going to get the autoresponder. So those are the 3 key elements that you need to make GetResponse working for you. And any other email responder service that you're using, those are the main points that you're going to be using. So over here, we're just going to take a look at this. After you go through the steps, you can build this in 5 minutes or less. Here's a simple one that I created, and you can put images there. And then when they put in their name and their email address and push sign up, right, then what they're going to get is they're going to automatically go into your autoresponder series that you just created, right? So once they sign up to this list right here, it's very important. They put their name and their email in, they push enter. They're going to automatically get this email from you. Okay. So we set up all those, right? So I'm just going to take you through landing pages real quick, just to close out the tutorial to make sure I showed you how to do all 3 main things in this tutorial. So you have all these different templates. These are landing page templates that you can choose. We're going to just choose this template over here. And you can say that this is your test list. And what did we call it? We called it 32921. And then it also comes with a thank you page. You're going to push next. And I just want to show you how to set all 3 of these up. Very simple in GetResponse. They're giving you a 30-day free trial, no credit card required, and you can have so this one is actually for a webinar. You can have an online business set up for you for free for 30 days. And if you end up converting over to paid, it's only going to cost you $15 a month. Pretty dang cool. So all you would do is you could come in here and you could change the headline by just double clicking, change headline, all that kind of stuff. I can move this over if I wanted to, see if I can get it all on one line. Yep. Or we could just change the text and make it smaller. So I'm going to move that over. So you can move stuff around just like any other, what you see is what you get, and move that text down. And you have the email and all that. So you can change all this text. You can delete sections, all that, just like ClickFunnels, just like any other tool that you might have used before or tested out or seen tutorials on. All this different stuff over here. You can add a shopping drag and drop product box. You can add drag and drop text, images. You can add a button over here if I wanted to add another button, video, timers, PayPal, social networking, everything. It has everything in here. There's even a thank you page. You can add even more steps in if you want, or variants. And you can also look at the mobile version of it, right? And then when you're done, you just push save and next step, and then you will be on your way, and then you will have a landing page. And then you can just share this with anybody, or if you have an audience built up, and you have a business ready to go. So that is my tutorial for GetResponse. All you have to do is click the link below to get a 30-day free trial. You're just going to go and it's going to look like this. You're going to sign up real quick, and you're not going to have to use your credit card, and you can join and use this tool, a very powerful tool, my favorite tool, email marketing solution. 30 days with risk-free, and then you can cancel anytime you want. And then if you end up liking the tool and wanting to grow your business and you get subscribers, you're going to want to continue using it. So all you're going to have to do is you're going to just put in your credit card information and upgrade, and it's only $15 a month. So $15 a month to run your business online. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on GetResponse for 2021 from somebody that actually uses this on a daily basis and has success with it. So go ahead and get your free trial by clicking the link below. I'll see you in the next video.